It is almost impossible to believe that this 4-acre land, called the lungs of Tarapur, was once an industrial dumping ground. But it is a transformation that the people of this town have witnessed in a matter of just 3 years.
पहला ये बहुत गंदी जगह थी। यहाँ हम लोग जब आते थे तो ऐसा लगता था कि बहुत स्मेल आ रहा है। यहाँ पे प्लास्टिक, रबर, केमिकल के बैग्स हुआ करते थे और बहुत गंदा स्मेल आता था।
The 25 feet tall man-made forest is now home to over 30,000 trees of 38 varieties and several species of birds, reptiles, and subsoil creatures. Just 100 kilometers south of this young forest, the metropolis of Mumbai. It is facing an unprecedented obstacle. Its green spaces are slowly but surely dying. The state of Mumbai's green cover presents a scary statistic. It stands at an alarming 13%.
As per WHO, World Health Organization, for every healthy human being, you require 5 trees, 5 grown healthy trees for your oxygen, for your soil, for your food, for everything. In Mumbai, the ratio is again reversed. We have 5 human beings and 1 tree.
Which is why a growing number of organizations are using an afforestation technique that has its roots in Japan, but could be the perfect fit for space-trapped Mumbai. Part of the city, volunteers are creating a Miyawaki cluster along the periphery of a public park in one of the most significant business districts in Western India.
So अभी अन्ना अपने को ये सब कचरा पूरा क्लियर करना है, एक-एक करके सब अपन लेके जाते हैं। आप उधर वो लकड़ी का लेना चालू कर दो।
The community was supported by forest creators, an organization that has worked to create over 40 Miyawaki forests in different parts of the country, planting over 600,000 trees with a 99% survival rate.
मियावाकी अनटच फॉरेस्ट अपन जब भी बनाते हैं तो ट्रिम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है, मेंटेन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है। ये कंदिया, उसके पीछे बादाम और ये बेल.
You need to be very, very conscious about what kind of environment the tree is going to grow. So soil is the most important part where the roots go in. So first you understand the soil. So basically जब हम लोग ये खोदते हैं उसके अंदर हमें find out करना है, we want to find out whether this soil is nutrient rich enough for the trees to grow, whether does it have perforation so the roots can grow really well, does it have water retention capability. So आप देख सकते हैं, you can see in this that there is already a lot of life inside. You can see there are naturally earthworms just about 6 inches on the soil. So this means the soil is pretty nutrient rich.
The second step is scientifically surveying the area's biodiversity and selecting suitable native tree species to be planted. All the saplings and raw materials are then brought to the plantation site.
वहाँ पे 1.5 से 2 फीट की ट्रेंच बनाया जाता है, जितने भी लेंथ में अवेलेबल है, विड्थ में जगह अवेलेबल है, उसमें ट्रेंच बनाए जाते हैं। उसमें हम लोग बायोमास, कोकोपीट, वर्मी कंपोस्ट, राइसेस जो मात्रा में ज़रूरत है वो ज़रूरत के हिसाब से उसको डाला जाता है। उसके बाद में मट्टी को रिफिल कर करके उसमें 1.5 से 2 फीट के अंतर में ट्रायंगल में एक पिट्स बनाया जाता है। ऐसे जगह नहीं, मेरे से सीखने के सर।
So you create a grid plantation method of Miyawaki method. One tree is never planted next to the same species. So the same tree will come in the next grid. So you create grids of 30, 40 trees, then another 30, 40 trees, another 30, 40. So the grid plantation is to be done.
For 2 years after this, the saplings are regularly monitored and watered.
When you consider trees living, so you give them a social environment. And anywhere like humans or animals, if you put them in a competitive environment, they thrive. That's exactly the same thing that happens in Miyawaki method. The trees thrive. So you end up getting growths anywhere from 4 feet to 15 feet within the first year. within the second year 10 feet to 25 feet, which is not possible in a conventional plantation.
Costing between $1.5 and $3 per tree, the Miyawaki technique could be crucial in the quest to revive our urban green spaces. And the impact can be seen in a matter of just a few years, as it happened in the lungs of Tarapur.
जिस मट्टी में हमने पहले सर्वे करने के टाइम में अर्थवम बिल्कुल नहीं था, एक भी अर्थवम नहीं था, वहाँ पे अभी कम्प्लीटली अर्थवम से भरा है भूमि। और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स अपने आप उस जगह पे उद्भव होना चालू है। पीपल की पेड़ अपने आप वहाँ पे उद्भव हो रहे, कभी इतनी जमाने से लेकर के वहाँ पे कभी वटेवर शेक भी आता नहीं था। तो पक्षियाँ भी बाहर से मिट्टी इमली वगैरह बहुत सारे अन्य अन्य बीजों को ला करके उधर डाल रहे हैं, वहाँ से बीजों को लेकर के बाहर डाल रहे हैं।
Over 90% of Mumbai has been paved and concretized in the past 4 decades, turning the city into an urban heat island, a large built-up area that traps heat and drives up temperatures even at night. Urban dense forests created using the Miyawaki technique could be enormously useful in combating this. But despite their endless benefits, these young forests cannot be treated as substitutes for naturally growing old forests.
Now it's very wrong for anybody to say that you cut the trees that have been there for hundreds of years in a particular area and then you're going to plant this Miyawaki forest. It's like you want to kill the grandfather in the house because a new child is being born to create a space. It's absolutely wrong. Miyawaki forests are there to create that local ecosystem, to heal the planet in its own little way. But it is really not a replacement to an existing forest. When we look at nature, when we want to think nature, we don't think our city as nature. Why can't we bring nature home? Why can't nature be part of our societies, our schools, our universities, our neighborhoods?